my name is Brianna and this is my daughter Aubrey Nicole. As some of you may know, I love spending time with my daughter, and something I have been doing is making videos of our time together. I will show you how I use LumaFusion to edit videos of me and my daughter bonding. To get started, I will go to my projects on the bottom left hand side and I will click and open the project that I will be editing. Now we are ready to start editing. I will show you how to add a title to your project timeline. First, move your timeline to where your cursor is that you would like the title to appear. Next, at the bottom of your screen, to the left of the trash icon, tap the plus icon and select Overlay Title. Once that has dropped into your timeline, double tap it. To edit the title, double tap the text and type your title name, then select Done. As you can see, on the top right, there's your preview area. You can also choose from a variety of text, fonts, sizing, and colors. Once you are set on how your title looks, you can drag the text box where you would like for it to be on your clip. Once that is done, you would tap the top left arrow. You can also adjust the title clip to where you want it to stop appearing. And this is how you can add a title to your video. Please edit your videos with LumaFusion. It makes editing so quick and straightforward. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video.